We're in the Vidal vineyard. This side was picked a couple of weeks ago to make the wine last year we called fresh. I'm not quite sure what we're going to call it this year. So it's available in some of the vintages stores still. Just young, fruity, absolutely delicious. But the other thing we do with Vidal is over here. This batch is being left to make ice wine. It'll hang on the vines until probably December or January, and when it's really hard frozen, we'll be able to pick it, crush it, and make the absolute quintessence of Canada, Vidal ice wine. Coming up in November, we're actually going to be having a release for our 2009 ice wine. We only made a very little bit as a test batch, and it's really, really interesting. So there'll be sign-ups on for the email list. Just go to the email and come on down and taste it. We're actually going to taste a whole bunch of different ice wines. But this is what we're really looking forward to at this point. You can see it's starting to turn brown and get sun freckled. That's what really tells us that it's perfectly sweet and it's going to be absolutely delicious.